Hello, Uyen. Good evening. Hello, Uyen. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Hi, can you hear me?
Yes.
Very good. Okay, how are you tonight, Uyen?
Me.
Wow, that's great because you feel happy. Okay, so what did you do today?
Playing.
You play. Nice. Did you enjoy playing? Did you enjoy playing? Oh, that's wonderful. Who did you play with, Uyen?
My mommy.
You played with mommy. Oh, that's so sweet
Yes.
because your mommy plays with you. Okay. So anyway, today
Anyway.
we are going to learn Unit 6. It is all about clean, not clean. Okay, but first, we're going to watch a video. Are you ready to watch this video?
Yes.
Okay, so look at the video carefully, listen, and enjoy. I'm going to ask you questions later.
For Charles Hart Bunny and Bunny. Clean up is fun on the CD Play to Rest by the Learning Station. Clean up is fun when we clean and sing this song. So come on and clean together and sing along. La 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 la. So come on and clean together and sing along. Put the blocks up on the shelf, put the trucks away. Everything has a place to stay. Tomorrow will be another day that we can play. Put the games up on the shelf, put the dolls away. Everything has a place to stay. Tomorrow will be another day that we can play. Clean up is fun when we clean and sing the song. So come on and clean together and sing along. La 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 la
La la
la la.
la la la.
So come
Come
on and
on and
clean
clean
together
together,
and sing
sing
along.
along.
Put the books up on the shelf, put the crayons away. Everything has a place to stay. Tomorrow will be another day that we can play. Put the puzzles on the shelf, put the toys away. Everything
Everything
has
has
a
a
place to
place to
stay.
stay.
Tomorrow
Tomorrow
will
will
be
be
another
another
day that
day that
we
we
can
can
play.
play.
Gede. Ha.
La 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 la.
Wow. All right. So what did you see in that video, Amy?
Toy.
That's right. What are the toys that you saw?
So, a car.
Nice. Okay, where did they put all those cars?
Don't know.
It's okay. They put it in the right place. Okay, now, what did they do in the video?
They
They,
open the toy.
correct. Okay, they clean up. Okay, why do we have to clean up, Uyen?
My name is what? My name is what? Dirty.
What is your name?
My name is Amy.
Oh yeah, Amy. Okay, I'm sorry because it says here Fuk Uyen. Then who is Fuk Uyen? Who is Fuk Uyen? Who is Uyen? Is this your sister? Is Fuk Uyen your sister, your mom, or what?
My sister.
Oh, your sister. Okay, Amy, I'm sorry for that one. So, Amy, we saw in the video that they clean up. Why is it that we have to clean up?
Dirty, messy. Dirty.
Because,
It is playing.
okay, because it's dirty, it's messy, so we have to clean up. Now, I want you to look at your room. Is your room clean?
Oh,
No? Oh no! What a terrible room. Okay, why is it that your room is messy?
oh my room.
Look at your room. Is it clean?
Not my room. Not my room.
Okay, then whose room?
Is teacher room.
Teacher's room? You mean my room? Oh, my room is very clean. Yes, it's very clean. Everything is in order. It is organized. It's clean. How about your room? I want you to look at your room. Is it clean?
Oh, that is my room. Teacher, look.
Mm-hmm.
No,
Oh, yes. This
empty.
one. This is not your room. So this room
No,
is somebody else's room. Okay, so I want you to look at this room. Is it clean, Amy?
no. Mama, monkey. Hello.
All right. This is not a clean room. What can you see in this room, Amy?
Okay.
We can see the toys. Okay, where
It's
are
not
the toys?
Somebody,
Where are the toys, Amy?
somebody, I think somebody go.
They are on the floor. Okay. Now, let's look at this one, Amy. What will you do when the room is not clean? What will you do when the room is not clean?
They short.
Of course, we will clean up. Do you help your mom to clean your room?
No.
Who cleans your room? Is it only mommy?
No, me.
Very good. That you are a good girl, Amy. Okay, now this time, let's learn the words. Look, listen, and repeat. Room, room,
Room. The oh room. Nặng. Room.
say room.
Room.
Okay, a
Room.
room is a place that we can stay. Okay, it can be a bedroom, a living room,
A
classroom, dining room,
room.
a
Room.
bathroom. That's right. What's your
Kitchen
favorite Yes. What's your favorite room, Amy?
is living room and bedroom.
Very good. Why do you like living room?
That's living room is uh,
Because living room smells good.
yeah.
Wow, wonderful. What about bedroom? Why do you like bedroom?
Because bedroom is under toy.
Yes, it has many toys in the bedroom. Now, look at this one, Amy. Say, this room is not clean.
This room is not plain.
Very good. Now, Amy, why is this room not clean?
Because is uh, is
Because,
is not plain.
okay, because
Then
that, okay, now look at the room. What can you see?
can
What
see
can you see?
can.
That's right. Very good. Now, where are the toys?
Toy is here. Um.
Okay, the toys are on the floor. Okay. Now, look,
Wow.
what can you see? Okay, next to the lamp.
Lamp.
What can you see? What are these?
I can see a pizza.
That's right. So look, in the bedroom, there are boxes of pizza. Do we put the boxes of pizza in the bedroom? Yes or no? No, we don't. Okay. What can we put in the bedroom, Amy? We can put the bed. What else?
We can put the book.
That's
Books and
right.
toy. Toy.
That's correct.
Pizza.
Can we put pizza? No, we can't put the pizza.
Because pizza is no clean.
That's right. It's not clean. Okay, where should we put the pizza?
Put a pizza and the living room and the kitchen.
Wow, wonderful, Amy. Okay, so all the pizza should be put in the kitchen, not in the bedroom. So, what happened to this room? This room is not Clean. Okay. So what should we do if your room is not clean, Amy? Okay, Amy, what are you going to do if your room is not clean?
Picture up. I do
Yes, Amy?
this.
Yes. Okay. Thank you for drawing that one, Amy. So, Amy, this room is not clean, it's dirty. Now, listen carefully. Listen, listen,
Oh,
listen.
mm,
What will you do if your room is not clean?
teacher say,
Okay, are you going to clean or just leave the room like that?
let the room
What?
like that.
Oh my God, no, that's a big no, 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 no. When the room is not clean, just like this one, then we will clean this. Put all the toys, okay, in order. Put it on the desk, in the cupboard. Then put all the pizza in the kitchen. Throw
Yeah,
away all the dirt.
teacher.
That's how we clean. Mm-hmm. I, what is that?
You, I love you.
Oh, I love you too, Amy. You're so sweet. Okay. Now, wow, wonderful. Look, can you see in this picture?
Ah, it's clean now.
That's right. So this room is clean. Now look at the bedroom. We can see the pillow, the blanket, the bed sheet, the pictures, the lamp is here. Okay. Then the toys are on the floor. Now look at this room and this room. So which room do you like? This one, the first one, or the second one?
Cross one.
Oh, you like the first one? You like this?
Um,
Do you like this room? Very good. How about this room? Do you like it? Nice. Why do you like this room, Amy?
because this room is clean.
That's right. So if the room is not clean, then no one likes to live there. We cannot sleep well because it smells so bad. So that's why we have to clean the room every time we wake up. Okay, fix your bed, tidy your bed, I make up your bed, like fold your uh fold your blanket, arrange your toys, arrange your pillows. Okay, now look, what are the animals that you can see in this room?
Yeah.
That's right. How many cats are there, Amy?
Four.
How many cats are there?
It's four.
Yes, say there are 4 cats.
There are four cats. Picture one. One, two, three, four.
That's right, there are 4. Okay, what are they doing?
Play.
They are
Play.
they are playing. Very good. Now I want you to look at your cat. Where is your cat, Amy? Where is your cat?
Here.
Oh, that is your cat? Okay, you said that you have a cat in your house.
You
Okay.
have here.
Now, where is your cat? Is it in your bedroom, in the living room, or eating in the kitchen?
In the bedroom.
Bedroom. Nice. Okay, now look, Amy. What can you see? Look, what can you see?
No. No plane. No plane.
Wait a minute. Listen, listen. What can you see? Look.
I can see a horse.
That's
Here.
right. Okay. How many horses are there?
Okay. Three horses.
Yes, there are three horses. Okay, now look at this horse. What happened to his shoes? Look at the horse's shoe. What happened, Amy? Is it clean or not?
Plane. Not plane.
Not clean. So we can see the dirt on
Not
it. Now
plane.
look at the other horses. What are they doing?
They are hiding on hide and seek. Yeah.
Okay, so thank you for that one. They are laughing. Ah, look at her shoe. It's not clean. Oh no, it's not clean. I don't want to see. That's what they are saying. So
Teacher,
if,
look. Teacher, look. Teacher.
yeah, yes,
Hi. Two its horse is clean, but one horse is mm, not clean.
that's right. So which horse do you want? Do you want the horses who are clean or the one who is not clean?
I like the horses here.
That's right. Very good. So, of course, what should we do with our shoes?
They are stop in.
Yes, we have to clean our shoes. Okay, do you clean your shoes, Amy?
Yeah, 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 yeah.
Nice. Okay, so how many pairs of shoes do you have? How many pairs of
11.
shoes?
11
11. Are they all clean?
is dirty and clean.
Wow, that's wonderful. Keep it up, Amy. Okay, now let's look at this one. Wow, how many horses are there?
It's two.
Nice. What are they doing?
Teacher, look.
What that? Oh, you don't have a t-shirt. Don't do it. You
Why
have to wear.
not?
You have to wear your t-shirt. Okay. Now, look at this horse. What is he doing?
Teacher, my grandpa is dead.
It's dead.
Yes.
I'm so sorry. I'm sorry to hear that your grandpa is dead. How old is your grandpa?
It's 83. Teacher, look.
83? Oh, he's too old. Yes, I'm so sorry to hear about that one. When did he die? Yesterday?
Grandpa is done.
Yes. Okay, where is your grandpa now?
My grandpa is letting that. Letting that.
Uh-huh. When did your grandpa die? Yesterday or few years ago?
So,
So how many grandpa do you have now? Only one left?
yeah.
Oh, I'm so
Yeah.
sorry to hear about your grandpa, Amy. Okay, but look at this horse. This horse is good because it is cleaning his grandpa's shoes. Now look at the grandpa's shoes. It's very clean. Okay, so what should we do with our shoes? We have to polish it. So this is polishing the shoes so that it will be shiny again. Do you polish your shoes, Amy?
You hear me? I say,
Yes, I
yes,
do. I hear you.
and the Vietnam. I don't listen for you. I listen you, but I don't understand. I don't class you is up. You
Oh,
are
I'm sorry, Amy. So look at this one. We have polish. When we say polish, that
you.
is when we clean our shoes. Just
So
like this
I don't
one.
hear you. I don't hear you. I don't hear you.
How about now? Can you hear me?
But I don't understand. I am Vietnam.
Of course, but you speak English, right?
I don't speak English. I speak Vietnam. Hello, xin chào. Wow.
Yes, yeah. Okay. So,
Vietnam, you on the nước ngoài
Philippines.
or the Vietnam PC,
I'm
right?
not in I'm not in Vietnam. I am in the Philippines.
And the Vietnam, I don't understand you. You good right?
Okay, that is why we learn English so that if I don't speak Vietnamese and you don't speak Philippine language, then we will
No,
both use English to understand each other.
no. I don't understand. I hear you, but I don't hear you understand. I I don't
Okay. So anyway, what are the words that we learned? We learned about clean, bedroom, not clean, and shoes.